From Metro Mage Games and artist Michael Shortino comes the next evolution of your fantasy-themed gaming experiences. These exclusive custom art tokens are compatible with Magic the Gathering, Dungeons & Dragons, and other fantasy settings. Featuring fun designs, expert manufacturing, and flexible bundling guaranteed to get you the cards you want and nothing more. Backers will support the campaign for any number of 4-card sets. Unlock additional artwork during the campaign via stretch goals and add-on purchases, and select which tokens you want after the campaign has ended. Back this project, join our community, and share with a friend. Support Metro Mage Games' next Kickstarter today.
Hello, I'm Ben.
And I'm Michael.
And we're excited to be bringing you a new installment of our Magic the Gathering compatible accessories.
We put a lot of work into this project and couldn't be happier with how it turned out. We hope you enjoy.
And don't forget to check us out on Discord and online for announcements of upcoming campaigns and future products and accessories.
Thanks.
Welcome to Ironclads, a ship-to-ship tabletop game set in an alternate Victorian universe. In Ironclads, you will be able to command mighty fleets using area command tokens and take to the Aether with an intuitive flight template movement system. Using our ready-made Ironclad designs, you can launch straight into battle, or you can create your own vessels using the construction rules, giving you complete control over your hull points, armaments, propulsion and steering. Using a novel system of quick-release magnets, you can switch armaments in seconds. Ironclads is a fully 3D printable game for resin-based 3D printers, allowing you to build as many ships as you like. When the game launches, you will have the choice of 3 different nations all vying for control of the Aether. The British build strong Ironclads and their gunnery is second to none. The mighty Germans have highly manoeuvrable vessels due to their precise engineering. Finally, the ships of the United States of America bristle with weird science armaments and technology. Add the legendary ship pack to expand your fleets, or boost your collection with 3 civilian ship packs, allowing you to immerse yourself in a rich and vibrant Victorian setting. Take a step back in time and venture forth into space. Are you ready to take command, Admiral?
Imagine a scenery set designed to cover the highest standards of competitive play. With every measure you need to play inbuilt into your mat. Beautifully designed so your games are more immersive than ever. Stop imagining, because it's already here. Deep Games presents Battlefield Supremacy.